Hey guys, welcome to episode 2 on how to build a Yamaha race car. This is a really short video, so we'll just get right into it. All of the tin work here is already finished and it's all complete, has all the gauges, switches, and components mounted, and is ready to go out racing. This was a very challenging project that took a lot of time and effort, but the finished product really looks great and I'm very happy with it. If you look closely enough in these clips, you'll see our MG logo all over this car. We didn't only do tin work, we also did the cage, doors, bumpers front and rear, spare tire carrier, mounted the fuel cell, suspension work, and even mounted the seats. So we've done a lot to this car, but still have one more big project to do, and that is to stand the rear shocks up straight to have a better suspension geometry and help this car get through the rough whip sections out there in the desert. So that's a video we are going to try to get out soon. Our goal is to make that either a bolt-on or weld-on kit so you guys could purchase this as well and drastically improve your performance of your vehicle. So thank you guys for watching. Please check out our other videos and please subscribe.